Oh! My God, I'm going to honor. What do you? Yes. I'm a son. Guys, meet my sister and my friend. My sister and my friend. We've been friends for over 20 years and still counting. Those of you who do not know, myself and Nature, we are not blood related though. We are friends. Mami tu ba mu ba ko. Me ba mu so we. Ni sani fa na nya adwuma. Na ho. Ti ba ku ni yam kwedi. Ka trase. Ma ti ba ku ni yam kwedi. Yes, what one thing is in the moon cry. Some I'll be for Marco or mobile for mobile. Or mobile for mobile. Said there, wow, buy I'll be for Marco or mobile for mobile. Guys, meet down, call me a him out. A father, I hear the tremor pampa, and I have a see a man's son would be. Oh guys, tomorrow by this time it will be me, myself and I. Okay. On the bus, all through the time. The daddy on the bus says, I love you, the daddy on the bus say, oh, Yanti bye-bye, chop kiss. Good morning, this is the day. I woke up this morning and the song that came to mind was Yehovah Beshow, and then now Adom Mobro. It is not easy, but it is well. And of color. Mommy and her grandma. Yeah. I'm an old man. Modern quality, I do mamma. Me? I need the no. Open your way for the member of the bicycle. I'm a changing. Guys, we bought some precursors. The precursors we've been buying here, they are not fragrant at all. When you use it, it doesn't work. But the ones we bring from the Kwano, they are authentic, they are genuine. Even this one, who smell it? Let's have a smell. Have a smell. You question Robin. It is Eja. If I'm with the beach, I'm called the Eja. No. And I want been from thought for more. It would be honest. Nothing I said, dear, who be there. I said, and me, I yet on where I won't be got to present for. Now, I did not a moon, it just to any dear, more dear, and one and half a reactionable one. Okay, so guys, that is the difference too.
Anytime we buy prekese in Koforidua, we know the seed top, it is not fragrant at all. So we've been wondering why it is so. I asked Erama and she explained that prekese or the Adan fruit is not plucked. It falls off from the tree by itself when it is matured and partly dried. And so the traders, instead of allowing it to air dry, they use fire to hasten that drying process, and that accounts for the difference. There is no direct car from Koforidua to Bekwai, so if we decide to take everything to the station, there is going to be a lot of inconveniences, and then from Kumasi, we have to transport the things from, even if they go to Pampas, so from Pampas to KJT, offloading, loading again, there will be another inconvenience and unnecessary time wasting. So we decided to hire a full van. So Erama came with Chief.
Yes. It's me. It's me.
That is that. So these are the luggages. She got a twin tap washing machine. Yes. I'm going to Mina wasa nkamisu wa nenyawo. Mina wasa misu nenyawo. Oh. Yanti chop kiss. Oh, Kwejami, sorry. It's so boba katawano. We are going to do push. Rama, me so obefana kono. Ubi are then.
Fanebra.
Savati, Ubi are then. Fanebra. Savati.
Can't breathe in the chapel.
Nachi, what our baby from the weekend. This is Nature's auntie. Did I tell you yesterday? This is Nature's small mother. Yeah. Nature's mother died over 10 years ago. So this one here has been taken care of Nature with Eno. Yeah, we about 15
17 years ago.
So over 15 years. This one has been taken care of. Hey. No. Erama bejami kwa Erama. Erama miska. Faja pepe na ko for mo ya pepe sa. Ja pepe na mi le ji. Mami bi. What go see this for mami na. This one here, she's called Mami Esi. She asked Nature, Auntie, what's in your stomach? There's a baby, There's a baby here. So she's going to bring the baby to the world, okay? So they will come with another baby. Why? Another one, they need
to give you peace, the Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious.
I got to check who's here too, no. Mommy, sorry. Chief, Mommy, sorry. Yeah, me, she, bye-bye. Eh, no, Mama, go Friday. Almost go, and no more go into charm. Almost almost shall go into there. On better or before nothing. Tibra. Bye-bye. Let's have fun in any no quiet. Bye-bye. I'm on your phone. The difference in quality is because I've been vlogging with Nechan's phone, so this is my phone, guys. At this point, it is very difficult for me, though they are traveling for a good cause, but I am back to factory settings. Yeah, this is my life, this is my reality. I have to embrace it, adjust, and then restructure my life. This is the time for me to take a good stock of my life and to undo certain things and to do things right. It's it's difficult, but then it is what it is. Yeah, nothing can be done about it, so that is it. I just have to embrace my reality, and as I said, pray for something better. Yeah, okay, I'll not end the vlog. It's about 8. It's almost 9 a.m. I'll end it when they call of their arrival. So from here to Kumasi is about 4 hours, but because they will not get to Kumasi, they will branch before Ejisu. So there's a route on that stretch. I've forgotten the particular town. I don't know whether it's Boankra. There's a route there to join so when they take that they will go to Kumasi, then Kokofu, Esumnya, then they go to Bekwai. So that is about it. It's Saturday, so I'm going to church with my heavy heart. I'm going to church to cry unto God. I'm going to church in hope of a better life than I have now. Anyway, so guys, I seriously need your prayers. Yeah,